So I want to talk to you guys about doing an intercompany bank transfer. So now regular bank transfers intra-company, but in the same company, happens in regular general journals. Intercompany happens in intercompany general journals, but there's some setup that needs to take place. So one, you want to enable your bank account for intercompany transactions. So in both companies, you want to make sure that the checking account being used or the bank account being used has been enabled for intercompany transactions, but there's more to this. And I'm going to give you some tips. So we've enabled it intercompany for both bank accounts in both companies. We're now going to go over to intercompany bank accounts, and you'll see this has to exist too, where the partner code is division 2. Now I'm going to show you the problem that I'm experiencing. When I do a new one, I cannot change the partner code. So let's talk about how to create one that does have the partner code. How I've been able to do it is in intercompany general journals. I just go ahead and set it up. So in intercompany general journals, your account type is going to be your bank account. Your bank account in the source company, you're transferring money out of here and into the other bank. Now that just depends on what sign you use, right? But I'm going to choose checking. I want to give it a good description of the reason for the transfer. I'm going to transfer $5,050. I need to send it to another company, so it's an intercompany partner, and I want to send it to division 2. And put it in their bank account. So now I want to come here. Here is where the best place is. Now that I have this balance account here, in IC accounts, I've already got one set up, but I'm going to do another one. New, and now the partner code is here. You want to give this a name, and use the same bank account number that exists in your bank account setup. So we'll look at this one that exists that I'm using. And as you can see, it's division 2, checking, and the account number from over there. So I'm going to use that one. And of course, you want to pay attention to your dimensions if that's part of the process. So let's look and see what it's going to do in the source company. If I go to preview posting, I can see here in my bank account, it's going to reduce my bank balance by $5,050. If I look at my GL, it's indeed coming out of my checking account, and it's now hitting my intercompany due to or due from as $5,050. So I'm expecting, that's a debit balance, so I'm expecting $5,050 to be sent to me from the other company, the destination company. I'm going to go ahead and post this, but it's going to hit those journal entries, and it's telling me that an entry was made. Now, I have set up auto send and auto receive in my intercompany transaction setup. So when I go into my destination company, I don't have to go to the inbox and accept it. So here, where do I go to see this now? I still have to go to intercompany. So now what we're seeing in the intercompany general journal in my destination company is a transaction that's increasing their due to, due from, and also increasing their bank balance. Let's look at that in a preview posting. General ledger entries, my due to, due from, I do is a due to, and it is hitting the correct bank account general ledger, and it is increasing my bank account by the $5,050. So now all I have to do is post this one. And the entire intercompany transaction is completed. I've now transferred money from one company to another. Thank you.